Hey Ranch Hands, so I'm here with Rosie and Jasmine and we're going to try a little experiment today. We are talking about rockets and Neil Armstrong and the flight to the moon, and so we are going to fly our own rockets today. So Rosie and Jasmine both have some little rockets, so they made them out of toilet paper rolls and some paper and tape, and so they have their rockets. They each have a bottle of Diet Coke and they each have a Mentos. So what they're going to do is they're going to put the Mentos in the bottle and then put the rocket on top of it as quickly as they can, and then they are going to run for their lives. Let's see what happens. So those rockets are not going to fly to the moon anytime soon, but it's neat to see the propulsion of the Diet Coke as it lifts the little toilet paper rockets into the air. We have read about Neil Armstrong and his trip to the moon. He rode on the Apollo 11 with Buzz Aldrin in 1969, and they flew all the way to the moon and even got to step on it and walk around. They still have footprints on the moon to this day. Love y'all. Have a good day.